He thought it was just another warning, but what the judge said next could land him in jail, or worse, in the hands of immigration. One mistake, one decision, and everything could change in seconds. Stay with me, because this courtroom moment takes a shocking turn you won't expect.
Illegal drugs, likewise, you will go to jail. No more PR bonds for you. You got out of jail quick because we gave you a PR bond. If you pick up a new case or violate conditions, I will revoke your bond and you will be stuck in there for at least 6, maybe 10, maybe 12 hours. And that's when immigration will put their clutches all over you. This is the only warning you're going to get. Heed this warning.
Yes.
How old are you, sir? What do you do for a living? How much money do you make a month?
Unos 3,000 al mes.
All right, we're going to give you time to go hire a lawyer. So I'm going to have you come up here.
I have an attorney.
Oh, you do?
Sí, hay abogado.
Business.
Andro.
Oh, and droga? Okay, so this is what we'll do. I'm going to have you swear to us you're not going to drive. I'll get you to Victoria to sign a reset. I'll have you meet with Felicia for your bond conditions, and then we'll just have you wait in back for your lawyer to arrive.
Gracias.
Please.
Thank you, sir.
You are Mr. Prowler. Is it? Did I say it right? Prowler or Prowler? Is it Prowler? Sir, you're charged with criminal trespass. You are facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
Yes, Judge. On December 30th, 2024, the officer was dispatched to a doctor's office in Harris County, Texas, in regard to a criminal trespass. The officer made contact with the complainant and the witness, and the complainant and the witness stated the defendant had an appointment at the doctor's office several hours prior, was asked to leave, and the defendant stated he was not going to leave. The officer found the defendant and the complainant, and witness pointed to him, stating that that was the defendant. The officer told the defendant he needed to leave or he would be arrested, to which the defendant refused, stated, "Let's do this," and turned around, putting his hands behind his back.
Have a lawyer, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is he coming? Is he coming here today? Let's do this. I'm going to hold off on it real quick. I'm going to have you take a seat. Let's wait for your lawyer to get here, and then we'll.
Exactly what you told me. You just explain to me.
Don't. Let's wait for your lawyer.
He asked me to tell me to explain the case. He simply told me to tell you he'll be here soon.
Okay, just hang tight for me, take a seat for me, and then let me know when he gets here, and then we'll continue. Hey, tell me. Yeah.
We do have another case on docket, Judge.
Okay. Okay.
This is the one judge that we approached on where we didn't submit the immigration accident report, which is typically required because the accident was involved in order to get possible injuries into the DWI-PTI program.
Okay.
With that said, I know that was the issue of never having the accident report submitted.
You have it now?
I still don't have it, but I did submit the mitigation.
Sure. We did request it again yesterday, and we've been following up consistently. There's at least
Who
5
are you asking it from?
from
The actual officer?
Yeah, we're asking it from the administrator from the constable precinct. We haven't asked the actual officer himself. We've asked the administrator involved.
How many times have you asked?
The prosecutor that was handling it, I know there was a shift, but she stepped out one morning and actually called and spoke to the officer, who said she did have an accident report, and it was just a matter of clicking, I think, some buttons to get it on over. And I know that the state has been diligently following up on that, but it's on HPD or
So
whoever.
let's do this.
constable.
Subpoena the officer to come to court.
Yes, Judge.
I mean, we'll give it a week. The officer's got to be here in 7 days with report in hand. Subpoena is taken. If they're not here, I'm gonna have a show cause hearing. The case is 200 days old. We still don't have a damn accident report.
Yes, Judge.
Unacceptable.
And there are some offers, Judge, but of course, we're not willing to move forward on any of
No,
that.
I mean, you gotta have all the evidence before you can make an informed decision, and it's 200 days, you still don't have an accident report. You should have gotten that within the next 30 days.
Yes, Judge, we'll subpoena the officer.
So we'll roll to 7/14, I'm sorry, 1/14, and then I'll waive the appearance, and we'll go from there. Okay? All right, thanks.
We can do a plea today.
Okay,
Okay.
Done.
Thanks.
Otherwise I was gonna put them on for, okay.
Good morning, Judge. I have Miss Galindo.
Come up, Ms. Galindo. Come up, ma'am. Is this a first or a second?
This is a first. So Judge, I know that she missed on the 19th and the 31st. She's been in a situation where she's only been working part-time. She lost her phone service. I've explained to her that it's her duty to call in and make sure that she doesn't have a drug test on every day. She has been using her mom's phone. The issue is that when her mom goes to work, she doesn't have a phone. I told her that she needs to be able to call and check in every day as the bond conditions require of it. So as she's told me, she is getting a new phone, which should make the situation easier. I told her she needs to update pretrial services with if her phone number changes, what her message phone is, all those things.
I'm sending you for a drug and alcohol test now, and I hope that you don't test positive. And I'm gonna tell you, if this happens again, 3 strikes, you're out. You've missed 2 tests. I don't care what your excuse is. You're supposed to abide by the bond condition of this court, and when you don't, there are serious consequences. You get no more passes. Do you understand? Now I can't trust you. So I'm also now gonna give you a device, So now I'm not gonna have you call in. I'm gonna give you a device. And if I find that you consume, you're going to go to jail. But first things first, I'm going to send her for a drug and alcohol test now. We'll have her come back. Assuming she's negative, I'm going to give her a device. If she's positive, we'll have to take another route. But hopefully you're not. All right? All right, take a seat for me.
Judge, I'd like to set this for jury trial, in this case. I'll call it jury trial.
Whatever you want.
Thank you, Judge.
Of course.
Judge, you said you'd like to wait till she returns for advice?
In a courtroom, every word matters, and every choice has consequences. What started as a simple hearing turned into a life-changing moment. If you want more real, intense courtroom stories like this, where justice gets tested and decisions happen in real time, hit subscribe now and don't miss what happens next.